Bidyong ito ay ginawa ko para sa akin at sa aking mahal na asawa. Para sa pagtanda namin, meron kaming panuring alaala. At kung gusto nyo ring manood, tara, panoorin nating lahat. Sa bidyong ito, nakikita niyo yung kasama ko, si Belle. Yan ang alaga ng anak ko. Isa siyang Tinom French Bulldog. Papunta kami ng Monterrey ngayon. Kaming apat lang nandito sa kotse kasi yung asawa ko at saka yung bunso kong anak, yung panganay at saka yung mga anak nila nauna na sa amin. Kasi yung anak ko meron pa siyang trabaho, so hinintay ko pa siya.
Okay. Yes, downtown Monterrey.
Downtown Monterrey. You're here at downtown Monterrey.
Monterrey. Salency. He said, they're not answering. Where are you guys?
We're at
Canyon
on the
Road.
seaside.
Nakarating na kami. Nandito na kami sa parking lot. Nakahanap kami ng parking. Yung sa daan lang na may coins lang babayaran mo. O yung babayaran mo lang sa online. And where's my hat? Forget my hat.
Ano ito? Yeah. Saan? Okay, go.
I kind of work. I can't act natural.
Do you remember walking over here?
Yeah, during COVID. Hi, Belly. Come to Daddy Jerry's vlog. Where are we?
We're here in Monterrey.
Yeah, very good.
So, me and Belle is enjoying here in Monterrey.
Yes.
Alright, welcome to Monterrey. Take care of her. Lola is here. And Dominic is here. Alright,
Follow that.
nice.
See, that's calling you. That's calling you.
Alright.
Okay, yeah?
Are you guys gonna go in?
Mahal eh.
Monterrey. Bill is in Monterrey. Man,
How?
yes, I get.
Belle, look there, baby. Belle, look there. Oh, si ate.
Dali. Sinta ka. Tanoy?
Oh, Sinta.
Sinta.
Pero facing ayaw na ocean.
Napatra.
Oo, abangan mo.
Para
Kami paraw yan. Ate, ate.
Dito, naiwan na naman kami ni Belle. So, kasi sila shopping pa sila. Bumibili sila ng mga souvenirs. Dito kami ni Belle naiwan sa labas. Tapos, hintay namin sila para kung ano. Tapos, nainip kami sa paghintay ni Belle. So, bumalik kami doon sa malapit sa may aquarium. Saka mas malaking lugar. So, dito kami sa harap ng aquarium. Mahal nga, no? Mahal nga yung $60 per person. Yung sa tapos sa mga kids pa, kalahati yata. So, ito yung kanilang product noon. Yung sardinas ng Monterrey. So, ito yung kanilang product. So, from 1920 to 1940s. So, siguro mabot na hanggang sa yan ng World War II. So, ito yung mga pictures nila nung dating yung mga boom pa yung kanilang canning sardines factory here dito sa Monterrey. Monterey daw ang pag-pronounce niyan. Monterey naman talaga yung nakasulat. So, bahala na ako Monterey o Monterey. So, yun na nga. Siguro in between ng 1945 to 50s, medyo humina na yung kanilang sardines. So, wala na daw isda. Siguro naubos na, no? Yung bay. So, naubusan na sila ng isda dyan. Kaya, nagsira na yung canning factory ng Monterey.
Uy, kabegal pescado.
Yes.
Kuy.
Where are they? Aki ko. Angan banyo ano ito? Takyo. Angan banyo ano yun?
He's pink. Tell me he's pink. His name is pink.
No,
And
it's
name?
Bell.
Well, okay.
It's like friends, like Mabel.
Oh my God.
Pink. I said pink. Anak ni General Yamasita.
So, ito yung restaurant na dito sana kami mag-dinner. Kaya lang nag-inarte, hindi daw pwedeng pumasok si Biel. So, sana magpaiwan na
Pero
lang
yung
ako.
kumikita niya.
May kita kami. May tang record yung may kusagit. May tataleta men bo.
Oh, they have a Dungeness crab here. Oh, yes. I thought we were going to boiling crab.
Dominic. Go, Dominic.
here.
Hi,
Stand here. And then smile.
One,
So, instead doon kami sa nagpipila sa restaurant na yun, hindi namin pwedeng pumasok si Bel. So, dito na lang kami. We ended up here. So, we order some, to go na lang.
Babe, kasi we bought you one, okay lang?
Okay.
It's hot.
Yes, a small one.
Huh? Want to
Small one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi, here.
It's what?
The beast.
Okay, let's watch this.
I don't want beast. Tom, the beast is with dinosaurs.
Yeah, with dinosaurs.
One just is done.
Are you kidding me?
I don't like beast.
How about dinosaurs?
No. What?
You know dinosaurs? Come here,
I
Atakan.
want to watch Skibidi Toilet. Yeah, it's Skibidi Toilet. And YouTube. I want to watch YouTube.
You wanna watch YouTube? In there?
You know, you need help? It's 6 minutes. You guys wanna come with us instead?
I want to go down. Shit.
Pwede lang man sila kika.
6 minutes lang.
Paraw lang man.
6 minutes
Kaya na
lang.
kami.
It's
Baka
just
ayaw
an
niyo doon.
atras.
So, nakarating na kami dito sa may Lovers Lane sa Monterey. Lovers Lane Beach. Ang ganda ng lugar na ito. So, kung gusto mo lang magmuni-muni at gusto mo lang magpiknik-piknik dito, dala ka na ng pagkain. Tapos dito. Kasi yung Monterey, it's like 45 minutes away from sa bahay ng anak ko. Kasi sila yung bahay nila ay sa Hollister. So, malapit lang. 45 to 50 minutes drive. Itong lugar na ito kung gustong magpunta dito sa sa dagat.
Ay, ate, ate,
peanut banana.
We got the large.
Oh, yeah.
Yakay.
On the L bread.
Oh,
Sure, Ate Lavi.
okay, eat the bread.
Don.
Here, the soup. You try.
I got mine. And you have banana? Pickled banana?
You don't need it. Cast over here, oh. Here, oh.
Wato, mimi sa kado ko nilimi. Kay, ni kay kirigali anda kong tigo, mi.
Oh. Nato, tama na yung medicine, baby. Drink on your medicine, baby.
I love you forgot my drink.
You guys are eating paper?
Yeah, look. Notice my beautiful drawing? I'm gonna show you my beautiful drawing.
Look at it. Look, 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 look.
So good. It's a squiggle.
Yan.
They're eating paper.
Salamat ulit sa pagsama niyo sa akin. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko.
Okay, okay lang.
At kung pwede sana, mag-like at mag-komento kung anong hindi niyo magustuhan sa video ito. At mag-subscribe na rin. Wala namang mawala, di ba? Okay, salamat po. God bless po sa ating lahat. Bye. Sa susunod kong video ulit. Bye-bye.